What's going on? Jacob All here. And if you've got this grease gun, M18 or M12, there's a feature on it you might not know about, and there's an upgrade for it that's gonna make it the best that it can be. Stay tuned. Okay, so you've got your grease gun, you got a M12, M18, and we're gonna grease up this tractor, right? So I'm gonna show you something that I don't like, and then I'm gonna show you something to make it better. So you put this in here, right? And you're holding on to your grease gun, and you've got it here, and it keeps falling off, so you set it down. Look, hopefully you have a tire. You really gotta get that on there. And then, see, okay, failure. Don't like it. So let me show you how to make this better. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upgrade my tip. You guys have a dirty mind, right? So the stock Milwaukee one, we're gonna upgrade to one of these from Lock N Lube. And you guys have had to heard about them. They're not a gimmick. This is pretty sweet. I actually reached out to them and said, hey, this gun is great, but it sucks or leaks or however you wanna punny it. So they've got a long one for getting deep inside. And then they've got this shorter one, which is what I'm gonna use. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is, all we need is 2 wrenches. We're gonna pop this tip off. We're gonna put this new tip on. So as you saw, I got the old tip off. New tip's gonna go on, pretty simple. The tip is on. Ooh, ah, yeah. Oh, hey, how's it going? All right, so we've got the tip on. Let's take it over to the tractor. Let's see the difference that it makes having the Lock N Lube tip on. Okay, I'm gonna one-hand it. Squeeze the lever, let go. And now, see, I'm having a conversation with you and I'm wiggling this thing around and I could probably torture it, but look at that. Boom. Let's make this better though. There's a way. Come over here. All right, so you guys might have seen this, but you probably haven't used it. And you all get Milwaukee tool bags, right? Right here is this stupid little lever, right? Boom. What you do is you get one of the Milwaukee tool bags that you don't use because you're gonna put everything in a pack out and you're just gonna loop it to itself. Then you're gonna take this clasp, you're gonna put it through there. Now, you're gonna throw it over your shoulder like a continental soldier. Okay? Isn't it stylish? It's like a little sachet. So, I can now, with 2 hands, walk over to here, clip it on. Let's do a couple different ones, right? I'll clip it onto this one. I get it where I like it. Lube. Lock it on. Lube. Lock it on. Lube. Have I said lock it on and lube? It's that easy. It locks on. Oh, look at my tip. Oh, I got a dirty tip. But take a look. So when you buy one of these setups from Lock N Lube, it's pretty sweet. In the package comes a seal rebuild kit. They have adapters for different thread sizes, and they have long reach tips for those hard to reach spots. And if you're not hitting the spot, get the long reach one. But I have 2. Why do I have 2? Because I asked them for it and they sent me it. Because, yeah, I like you guys. So, would you like to win this? I think you would.
Jacob, what are you doing?
Oh, I was cleaning off my tip.
You need to do that more often.
Did I not finish my last thought? Oh, giveaway, right? All right, so one of you can win this. All I want you to do is be subscribed, right? Give this video a like. That'd be awesome. I can't really check that you did it, but I'd really appreciate it. And comment what state you live in. Pretty easy. Are we gonna ship this anywhere? We'll ship it anywhere. So anywhere you want it, we'll ship it to. I mean, hopefully to you, but if you're in the US, it'd be awesome. If not, we'll still ship it to you. There's only one place we don't ship to, right? It's like Israel or something like that.
Yeah.
We've had packages lost for a year. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Comment what state you live in, and we'll randomly pick a winner. And I got a challenge for you. I want to get 1,000 likes on this video. If I get 1,000 likes on this video, the next pack out video that I do, I'll do another giveaway. That's all there is. Pretty simple mod hack. I know all of you have got one of these lying around. These aren't expensive, so check out Lock N Lube. I think it's actually as simple as LockNLube.com, but I'll put a description. And one of you follow directions, and you can win this. So thanks for watching. I'm all lubed up, so you know I got to rock out with my pack out. Up here, stuff, do stuff.